Sous vide chicken wings, y'all. Let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you.
So of course, first thing we gotta do, get our chicken on that chopping block. Cause you know how I do, right? You know how I do. For stock, yeah. So we gotta cut them off. If you don't know how to cut them tips off, check it out. Just find the center of that joint, cut right through it, no problem. Every time, y'all. Every time. Now, of course, you gotta rain on it. Gotta have a little salt. And this time, a little Tony Chachery. Now, you can use any kind of Cajun seasoning that you like, but I prefer Tony Chachery. And then after that, we're gonna simply get them into our sous vide bag. Now, once in that bag, we're gonna go ahead and try to lay them as flat as we can get. But anyway, let's back it on down. Now once we get it backed on down, we gotta go ahead and get them to that sous vide machine. Now we gonna sous vide this at 150 for 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. Go ahead and work on our sauce. Now I like Crystal's hot sauce, me myself, but my wife like that Frank's. So it is pretty good on wings when you make a sauce. So I always make the Frank's. And we're gonna have a half a cup of Frank's hot sauce. Now if you want to do the crystals, feel free. You're doing my favorite. And then we're gonna add 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now I'm using the mason jar because we gonna put this in the sous vide machine too, y'all. Yes we are. Yes we are. Everything done right there, no problem. Now to that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And about a tablespoon of mustard. Get our lid on and give it a quick shaky shake, y'all. Mixing everything together. And we're gonna get that in the sous vide with our chicken. So, and our chicken, of course. And now it's almost time for me to do my favorite thing. Torch that chicken. Which really just torch any beef, because I love using this torch, y'all. It's fun and it's easy. And it's like, oh, it's time to eat, y'all. It's time to eat. In a bowl that we have put our sauce in, we gonna get that chicken in that same bowl. Now you can use something a little bit bigger. That way you can make this process faster. But it's just me and wifey, y'all. We ain't doing nothing but 7 wings. So this is what I do. Now if we was having a party or something, I would definitely use something bigger so I can crank it out a little bit faster. But yeah, look at them wings, y'all. Look at them wings. Ain't gonna lie, had to pour me a little sauce on the top. And hey, me and wifey tore these up. I enjoyed myself. Sous vide chicken wings. On point, y'all. And you can get that chicken skin as crispy as you want to with that torch. As crispy as you want to, and that meat inside is gonna stay nice, tender, and juicy. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling. See ya.